So when the user clicks on the name in the DataGridView, we want to bound that name with the actual passenger. So we want to create an object of passenger with the information that is in the row that we just clicked. And to do that, we use the DataBoundItem property of the DataGridView. So I'm going to create a passenger that will equal, and the passenger object will have the name and seed that matches the one that we just clicked. So we take the current row from the DataGridView and data bound it. So it will come from the DataGridView called .dgv passengers, that's how I named it. And now we can use the current row property, which gives us the row that was clicked. So dot current row, and DataBoundItem property, which will assign the properties to the new passenger object. So dot DataBoundItem. But you can see that Visual Studio is complaining, and that is because we are bounding an object, but we need to explicitly tell C# what object we want to bound it to. And of course we want to bound it to the passenger object. So to explicitly bound it, we will assign it to passenger object, like that. And you can see now everything is nice and happy. Now remember, we only want to be able to do this if we are deleting the passenger. If we are just viewing them, then we do not want to be able to click on any of the passengers. Or if the user clicks on any of the passengers, nothing should happen. So we can wrap this in an if statement, and as the condition, we want to bound the object only if the view mode is not view. So if our view mode is not equal to view, then we will bound the passenger object. I'm gonna copy it and put it inside of the if statement, because we need to add one more line here, because after we bound the object, we want to simply go away from the lookups form and return back to the main form, where we will display the delete message box and let user finish the deletion of the passenger. So what we have to do here is simply hide this form. And that's all we need to do here. So in the next video, we will finish the lookups class by coding the load event.